Yeah, hi friend, this is the Govind Soni. So today we will discuss about the plate earthing, how we calculate the resistance of plate earthing and number of plate earthing. So this is the formula. The earth resistance of single plate electrode is calculated as per the IS 30430, and R is the resistance is equal to rho divided by A root 3.14 divided by A, where rho is the resistivity of soil and A is the area of both side of plate. So this is the example. If the CI earth plate of 600 by 600 the system fault current 65 k for 1 second and soil resistivity is 100 ohm, where the CI plate size is 600 by 600 and system fault current 165,000 ampere time 1 second and soil resistivity is 100 ohm. So first we calculate the maximum level current density of plate, which is 7.57 into 1000 divided by root into T, where we put the values. Rho is the resistivity in 100 into 1 is the time. So maximum allowable current density is 757 ampere per meter square. Surface area of both side of single 600 into 600 plate is 2 into length into width, which is 0.72 into meter square. 2 into zero point 0.6 into zero point 0.6, which is 0.72. Third one is the maximum current dissipated by the one earth plate, okay, which is equal to the current density into the surface area of plate. Current density is 757 and surface area of the plate is 0.72, which is 545 ampere. Now the resistance of earthing plate, which is equal to rho upon A root 3.4 divided by A. When you put the values, rho is the resistivity, which is 100, A is the area of earthing plate, which is 0.72 into root 3.14 divided by A is the area of plate, which is 0.72. When you put the value, you will get the value of resistance 290 ohm of each plate. The number of earthing plate required, how we calculate the, it is divide fault current divided by the maximum current dissipated by one number of plate. The fault current is 65,000 ampere, and the current maximum current dissipated by the one earth plate is 545 ampere. When you divide, you will get the number of earthing plate, which is 119 nodes, and overall resistance of 119 nodes of earthing plate. You will divide the resistance by total number of plate, you will get the resistance of overall resistance of earthing plate, which is 2.43 ohm. So this is the calculation about the earthing plate. And this is the second one, calculation of earthing resistance of buried strip as per IS 3043. When you buried the strip, how you will calculate the value of resistance. The formula is R equal to 100 into rho divided by 2 into 3.15 into L log 2 into L square divided by W into T, where R rho is the resistivity of soil ohm meter, L is the length of a strip or conductor in centimeter, W is the width of a strip or diameter of conductor in centimeter, and T is the depth of buried in centimeter. And now this is the example where calculate the earth resistance of earthing strip of 16 dia 262 meter long buried at 500 depth in ground, and soil resistivity is 65 meter. The value is given here. The R is the resistivity of soil 65 ohm meter, L is the length of rod in centimeters 262 meter, when you convert into centimeters 26200 centimeter, and D is the internal diameter of rod, which is 36 and 3.6 centimeter. H is the depth of buried strip, which is 50 centimeter. And this is the formula. When you put these all value in this formula, you will get the resistance of earth strip, which is equal to 1.7 ohm. For this example, for this condition. So these are the calculation to calculate the earthing resistance of plate and resistance of buried strip. Thank you.